Today I'm going to make some root beer ice cream. And it's so simple. I'm actually not going to make it. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it because later on in a post we're doing today, I'm going to make some guava ice cream. And so I'm not going to show you how to use the ice cream freezer. At this point, I'm just going to send a link to my guava ice cream where I'm going to actually demonstrate how to use the freezer. Now, I've seen smaller freezers, different kinds. Some people I've seen post where they make it just in their regular freezer. So, however you want to make ice cream, this is just the old fashioned kind, and it's really good. So, the root beer has just 1 2 liter thing of root beer chilled, and then 2 sweetened condensed milk chilled. It probably will still work. It would just take longer if you don't have it chilled. You start with it as cold as you can, and then just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. So all I do.
So this is chilled too.
Yeah, and so all I do is put it all in this drum. I usually put part of this in so it's at the bottom, and the sweetened condensed milk doesn't stick to the drum. And then I whisk it and then add the rest and kind of whisk it. You just want it all mixed. Just dump all the 1, 2, and the vanilla. So it's really 3 ingredients. And then you just mix it according to your direction of your mixer. And that's it. And it's really yummy and easy.
Does it taste a little bit like root beer float?
It does because of this. So this is the cream and the sugar. So you add no sugar. Well, this has sugar too. It's got lots of sugar in it.
You could do sugar-free.
Yeah, you could. Yeah. And I've never tried that, and I've never tried that. They have sugar-free condensed milk. So it could be a sugar-free ice cream. But it's really easy and fast. This method takes a little longer, but it's just creamy and nice. So
great.
I hope you enjoy and see my guava ice cream.